Want to see what I'm going to grow this year in containers? Come shop with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One and this is another video. You guys, this is my first shop with me video, okay? Now, I was a little nervous holding up my phone, recording all in the store, so bear with me if it's a little choppy or shaky, okay? I was definitely out here looking like I'm the building inspector recording and like I'm Inspector Gadget, right? But anyway, so let's talk about these seeds. I mean, the Dollar Tree prices went up and it's 3 packs of seeds for $1.50. They lost their mind, right? And then on top of that, they had the nerve to have an organic section. Look at this. Organic. 2 for $1.50. First of all, I don't even trust y'all well enough to believe that the seeds are organic. Like, you're not getting me. You know what I'm saying? Even though just because you slap a organic label on there, it does not mean that it's really organic. Because, listen, don't get me started. But I don't trust the company. I don't trust them. There's a lot of money grabbing going on. But you guys, I went to 2 different Dollar Trees and this is what they had. So let's speed this up. And you guys, I want to say the East Coast had a severe snowstorm and that's why I have not been recording and to show the garlic progress or anything, because I don't want to just sit up there and waste your time showing snow on top of pots. Okay, I'm not going to do it. And the snow is sticking around because the temperature is freezing. Like, goodness gracious. So at one point I did feel brave to record further in the store to see what else they had in the garden section. And like I said, I was nervous, but it didn't matter anyway because they didn't really have much garden stuff out, and at least I got the experience of recording in the stores to see if this was something that I will continue to do. Hi guys, if you made it this far in the video, please subscribe and join me on my journey because I will really need your help. If you got any input, we can help each other if you gardening too. So let's grow together, okay? Be part of the fam, okay? And I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. That's how small my channel is. My milestone is 100. Subscribe, let's grow together. As you guys can see, they didn't really put much out by the time I recorded, so this is pretty much it. So let's transition on to what I got and what I may potentially grow this year in containers. So you guys, one of the seeds that I was so excited about was beets. My iron be so low and beets is a good source of iron. So I was really excited about the Dollar Tree having the beets. And I will do the sugar baby watermelon again. I didn't have success with zucchini, but hopefully this year I have some success. So this is what I got from the Dollar Tree and what I plan on doing as my seed starter. And truth be told, I didn't really need to get this, but I just wanted something. But anyway, I'm going to use the egg carton to put the little cups in, the little pots. And because it fits perfectly in there, so that way when I water, I don't have to worry about the water leaking. And then what I'm going to do, that little plastic lid that comes over top of the eggs, I'm going to put that at the bottom so that way it definitely won't leak through if it leaks through the pots or the egg cart containers. So that's my theory behind it, or why I got the little cups instead of just using the egg cart containers itself. And that way when it's ready to be planted, I can just take the whole cup and put it in the pot with the soil. And since I didn't have success propagating rosemary, I also decided to buy some rosemary seeds that I got off of Amazon. It has been 2 weeks and nothing germinated. So I'm not sure how good these seeds are, but I'm going to have faith because I really want the rosemary. But anyway, so I am going to attempt to grow asparagus this year, guys. And I got the seeds from Walmart, and hopefully asparagus grow well with others. So I'm gonna have to do some research to see what I can combine in my containers. Now you guys, it is very important to make sure you do your due diligence to make sure you're not buying things you don't need. So let's get into what I may potentially grow in containers 2026. For more videos like this, click here. Subscribe.